let's go ahead and originate a loan. So this is a website template. We offer many different templates on our website. If you don't have a good looking website, definitely check out our template gallery. You can, get a nice polished, professionally designed website that converts really well and has our web forms built in. So here we're going to do a simple fix and flip loan today. And let's go ahead and let this load. You have the first question: are you a broker working with one? If I hit yes, I can register as a broker or select from a drop down, and that's great. And I can do the same thing if I'm a loan officer. I can have my loan officer drop down, and brokers will be able to register with you in your company. So it's a great way to get a broker registration and a deal at the same time. In this case, well, yeah, let's go ahead and select, one of the brokers. And then here, these are all your products. You can choose as many products as you want from our pre-built product set, or you can build your own custom product and set the fields, required docs, etc. So this is a built-in loan product called Fix and Flip. We're going to do Frank Flipper here, and we'll just put a frank at flipper.com. And I'm going to, well, this is actually telling us we have this borrower. He's a returning borrower. So if I hit yes, I'll have to verify myself, and all my information will populate. That's pretty cool, right? So that's all the information you see that we're going to be filling out today in the full app and quick app. It's all saved on the borrower profile, so it reloads for him every time he comes back. Super helpful feature. So we can do borrower as an individual or an entity. And we have all the different entity types. Perhaps it's a trust, and we have different trust types, or retirement entity, and we have all the different IRA entities. We'll do something similar in common. Flipper are us. Call this an LLC. Florida LLC. We want to ask about their years of experience, number of deals in the last 36 months. Keep in mind the quick app is customizable. Everyone has their own preferences as what fields they want to ask during the quick app. So this is what comes out of the box, what you're seeing today. And I'm just going to do a 500K deal. Maybe it's worth 525. They're getting it under value. It's going to be worth 850. They're going to put 20% down, 75K. And everything auto calculates for LTV, ARV, and LTC. If I was trying to do a 5% down payment, it's going to trigger some of the guidelines. And you control these guidelines to know when it should be triggered and alerting the user. We'll do something here. Let's keep it. We'll go down the happy path. And so here we'll just put a address. We have an auto generation, auto suggest feature coming out next couple of days. So that'll be ready to roll soon. And again, we're just trying to move quick. In a live form, a lot of these fields will be validated, meaning you can't skip through them. You'd have to fill them out. And here you just put a quick little explanation about what you're looking for, what you need, just to personalize your request. And that's it. That's a quick app embedded right on your form, on your website. And it works for all the different loan products. So it's a universal web form that works for all your loan products, dynamically changing and asking the right questions and collecting the right documents based on the product type and details of that loan. So let's go ahead and check out this needs list. So we'll do a construction budget. Here we'll all right, so we're going to upload a construction budget here. Maybe we'll upload a driver's license just to get a couple things going in there. And these are optional. You can choose to make them mandatory, or you can even skip this step altogether and just do the quick app. These are preferences that you would set up in the back end of the platform. So that's it. We submitted a quick app, uploaded a couple documents,